Hi guys, welcome to, or again, welcome back to Cooking with Pouncy. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. I appreciate that, guys. Hit that like button if you like what you see. I'd really appreciate that, guys. Let me know what you think and pass this on as you see fit. Tonight we're going to make some shrimp and vegetables. Let's call it Pouncy's pan-seared shrimp and vegetables, okay? For the lack of another word. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to be dropping the camera down here, show you guys what I'm going to put together. It's going to be really a quick meal. If your shrimp are thawed, if your shrimp are already thawed out and stuff, so you know what I mean. But anyway, we're going to put this together right quick, and that's what we're going to have for dinner. Hoping that you'll like what you see, and you'll make it for yourself and your family as well. I'll be back with you just a moment. Guys, as I said, here's our shrimp. This actually is about 2 pounds of shrimp, and you can use any amount you want to use in your dish if you decide to make it. I just thought more shrimp, the more better, okay? But anyway, that's about 2 pounds of shrimp. They've already been peeled in the vein and washed and all that sort of stuff, okay? Anyway, then I've got some vegetables here. I've got some potatoes. These are par-boiled. I did those earlier. They're still warm. And I've got some zucchini, and I've cut them in about 1.5 inch pieces. And I'm going to saute these, pan-sear, saute these here with some seasoning and stuff on them. And again, you can do yours like you want. But I said I'd put a quick meal together, and that's what I'm going to do here. I've got some cherry tomatoes, primarily for color and taste, if you will. And I'm going to be incorporating these in there. And in the cooking process with these potatoes and zucchini, these will be the very last things to go in there, okay? I even thought about not cooking them and just folding them in. But this will be in there, too. I'm going to be using the seasoning of my choice. I've got some stuff here called Seafood Magic. Those of you that's watched some Cooking with Pouncy stuff, I use this a lot as well. I even use it on chicken, okay? But anyway, and you can. So I'm going to probably use some of this. I've got some adobo seasoning here, all-purpose seasoning, kind of like your whatever other kinds of seasoning you have. Once again, of your choice, okay? I've got some coarse ground black pepper. I've got some regular salt, and I'm not going to go crazy with sodium, guys. I'm just going to be ad-libbing and putting some seasoning on there, so you can do whatever you want with your own. Sazon here, I've got some of that. I might use a little bit of that as well on the shrimp, maybe a little bit on the vegetables as well. I'm going to coat these in a little olive oil, just get them a little shiny, put them in my pan and start getting those things cooked. I would like to even brown those potatoes a little bit, if you will, as well. But anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. My pans are getting hot already for me to start doing my thing. As you know, the shrimp's got to be a bit translucent and certainly not overcooked. So that's what we're going to be doing here shortly. And then we're going to do a plate presentation with it. And again, this whole meal will probably take less than a half hour, or let's say a half hour if your shrimp are already thawed out and all that stuff, okay? So I'll be back in just a little bit, and I will put these in hot pans and get them done, right? See you in a bit. Okay, guys, we're ready to go here. The pan's heating. I think I'll turn that heat up just a little bit. For my shrimp, are going to go in here. You can hear my vegetables searing over here, sizzling in the pan. Got coated them with olive oil, and a lot of that sizzling you hear is from water from the potatoes. I dried them as best I could. But anyway, that's going to do its own thing. All right, we're going to get them nice and al dente. Not going to overcook those either, guys. Okay. So now we're going to let's just put our get our shrimp going here. I got my heat. I'm going to get it too hot, and it's already too hot, but this will cool it off instantly here. So, all right, let's just get these in here. And again, keep in mind, we're not going to overcook these shrimp. It's going to take me less than 5 minutes to cook these shrimp, okay? Okay. I'm going to turn that up, get my heat up a little bit on my vegetables, because I actually want them to sort of brown a little bit, okay, without overcooking them. Get a little crust on them, guys, okay? Give me some nice heat there, still with my shrimp. I've already seasoned these guys. I put, I think, I'm trying to remember what I put. You know what I think I'll do? I know I seasoned them I'm going to put a little of this for color, if you will. I'm going to put a little of this seafood magic on there. You guys know cooking with Pouncy, that's what I do all the time. I kind of ad-lib, but let's put a little color. And that's it. This has got some color in it, okay? You can hope we can see that. Maybe it's got some paprika or something in that it gives it that reddish color, but let's just do that. That'll help these brown a little bit more too, okay? Can't forget the shrimp. Okay. Get myself another spatula because my pan is not convex, so I can't really flip it like I want to here. So let's just do this, okay? They're looking good. They are looking good. You guys know, you don't want to overcook that shrimp. You want to leave it translucent. In fact, I'll shut it off before I get to even to that point because they're going to cook a bit more once you take them out of there. As you guys know, once you take them out here as well. And they're just about ready. They are just about ready. Give me some more heat here. I'm going to shut these off right now, guys, okay? That's what I'm going to do here. The rest of that heat will finish them and get them right exactly where they need to be, that translucent state, okay? And they look good. As I shut the burner off, as I said, well, I'm going to taste one just for the taste factor. I'm going to put a bit more of that adobo seasoning on there. Tastes really good too. Just do that. They do taste very, very good. That's it. You know, guys, I'm such a stickler for not overcooking these shrimp. As I shut that burner off, and you know, like the grains here that I'm still trying to get used to after 2 years, they still kind of cook a little bit, right? So we don't want to do that. I'll stop them from cooking altogether. But they taste good. They taste really good. I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to go ahead because I want to finish this here real quick. And we brown this here. And it doesn't take long for these either, guys, as you know. All right, I'll be working on my tomatoes here. I think I'm going to cut them in half, guys. That's what I'm going to be doing over here. Okay, guys, this really took probably, well, the shrimp, about 7 or 8 minutes. Took this about 8 to 10 minutes, okay? That looks really, really good. I've got those cherry tomatoes in there. I just tossed them in there. I didn't try to cook them. I just got them folded in there so they get nice and hot along with that. I got some color on those potatoes and zucchini, as you can see, as well. I'm going to do here's the shrimp, of course. Got lots of juice in there, too. I'm going to do a plate presentation for you. Now, here we go. I think that's a really good looking plate, all right? I think you guys can see that. Let's put a little Parmesan right here, okay? A little Parmesan, a little shredded Parmesan right here. You guys know cooking with Pouncy, I'm always ad-libbing and stuff here. So I got some shredded Parmesan. And that's what we're going to do here. A little bit more right here. And we're done. I think, again, that's a nice presentation. Guys, I hope if you decide to make this for yourself and your family, that you guys will enjoy this dish as much as we're going to. I can't pick it up. The plates are very hot, guys, okay? So anyway, I do hope you enjoy this. Hit that like button if you like what you see, guys, and tell me what you think as well. Pass this on as you see fit. Again, we'll see you next time. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you. Good night.